For today's chug, I'm gonna be seeing how fast I can take down 2 16-ounce cans of Red Bull and 2 20-ounce bottles of Sprite in under 1 minute. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, go! My stomach's gonna be really bubbly after this one. Oh my god. Oh god. Guys, that doesn't feel. God. Guys. Wow, let's start. I think I've chugged enough carbonation throughout the years, over the years, just enough to float into space. Oh my god. Now for the fun part of the video, and it's time to open these up, see what kind of satisfying sound we get, see if it sounds good to the ears and stuff, to see if it's satisfying and stuff. I don't know why I keep saying stuff, but this is just stuff. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. Alright, let's continue. Oh, we're good. First can, low-key a flop. I'm already thinking of the air bubble that's gonna be in my stomach after this one. This is a lot of soda. This is a lot of carbonation. We're rolling. Alright, here we go. I'm so busy. Okay, 6 bottles of ice pop. This is a lot of hydration. And go! This right here is a lot of Diet Coke, a lot of carbonation. Okay guys, for today's chug, we're gonna be chugging 2 liters of Coca-Cola. Delicious. These bottles, they're just the most gorgeous thing in the world. This is gonna be insane. So far so good. Just got the tingle up the nose. Ah, it burns. But guys, we're starting to feel a little weird. It's like mini dynamite. I'm so busy. Nah, God. Why didn't I just get a chocolate milk? No, this could have been just a nice chocolate milk challenge, but instead I had to come up with a video idea like this. Too much syrup. Oh my god. Disgusting. I have here 2 giant bottles of Doritos, and I'm gonna be seeing how fast I can inhale both of these.
A few minutes later.
Holy smokes. Wow. Just wow. The colors, the flavors. I'm just excited for this. It's delicious. Delicious.
Three hours later.